So we have a system of equations, and I am going to show you guys how to solve the system using matrices. But first, let's review using substitution. Now, the way substitution works is that you solve for one of the variables. I always tell my kids to go for the variable that has a 1 in front. So for me, I'm going to go through and solve for y here. So I'm going to have y is equal to negative 2x minus 1. Now that you've solved for y, you are ready to plug y into the second equation. So I'm going to go ahead and write the second equation down. So it is 5y minus 6x is equal to 7. Now, we're going to substitute what y truly is, and that is negative 2x minus 1. Everything else should just come down just like normal. Now from there, let's distribute this 5 that we have here to both terms. So we're going to get negative 10x, and then we have negative 5 minus 6x is equal to 7. Next, we're going to combine like terms. So we have negative 10x and negative 6x, which is going to make a negative 16x. Don't forget to bring down minus 5 is equal to 7. Now we are ready to solve this two-step equation. So to get rid of subtracting 5, you would add 5 to 7 to get 12. And to get rid of multiplying by negative 16, you would divide by negative 16 to get x is equal to 12 over negative 16. Now we do want to make sure that we simplify. So of course you could simplify this to be x is equal to negative 3 over 4. Or for some of you guys, you like to use decimals, so that would be negative 0.75. Now that we have x, we also need y. So again, you can determine which equation you want to use in order to plug x into to find y. I'm just going to use the very first equation. The first equation was 2x plus y is equal to negative 1. Now, I'm going to go ahead and highlight x, and we do know what x is. I truly do not want to deal with this fraction, so I'm going to rewrite negative 3 over 4 to negative 0.75. It'll make it just a little bit easier for us. Now, 2 times negative 0.75 is going to be negative 1.5 plus y is equal to negative 1. Now, last, to get rid of a negative 1.5, we would need to add it to that right side. So we need to add it to negative 1. And once you do that, you're going to get 0.5, which we know is 1/2. And then that is it. Now, we do want to make sure that we write our answer as an ordered pair. So I'm going to write my answer right here. I'm going to have negative 3 over 4 and then positive 1/2 for my y value. Now, make sure you come back later because I am going to show you how to solve this particular system using a matrix. See you then.